I went to school at the University of California at Berkeley, and I did my undergraduate work in engineering mathematics and my graduate work in electrical engineering and computer science. I am noted for developing the strategies and the analysis techniques for certifying all the nuclear weapon systems in the United States strategic inventory. This was totally unexpected. I have emceed the Computer Society Awards ceremony in the past, so I know how this works, and I was on the giving end where I'd be handing out the plaques and certificates and being in awe with all of the people that were receiving these awards. So this was quite a surprise to me. And I want to thank my nominator and also all of the people who wrote endorsement letters that helped me receive this very honorable award. I'm deeply grateful, and I'm very appreciative of all of the people that I worked with, and I wouldn't be where I am today without their friendship and their hard work on the committees we worked together on.